I'm going to give you guys a quick look here. Take a look at that door. That's kind of the before. And look at this fender. That's more of the after. Definitely looks 1,000 times better than it did. And it wasn't all that much effort to go in there and clean it up. Yeah, these letters still need a little bit of cleanup. But as far as the paint goes, I think we should keep going. What do you guys think? I think we could clean up this whole side. Or at least that door too. Get the cab cleaned up on the side. Give her another go.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. Then we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell we should be raising. One more party now, one more party tonight.
Alright, got me a new roll of paper towels, a new SOS pad. I probably need to get more water. But let's give this door a try now. Oh wow, that works so good. Little barkeeper's friend, the little SOS pad, and a light bit of scrubbing. Sure seems to take this hard paint or hard water out of this paint. Look at it go. And it's not really hard either. I'm just lightly scrubbing. This works a lot better than that rubbing compound and polisher and all that other crap that I was trying before. Because this really needed something. And I wasn't getting it from that. What do you think? Now shall we get a paper towel and see how well it's doing? Wow, look at the difference. That's amazing how much better it looks with that little bit of effort. Look how dirty that still is coming off of there though. Definitely is going to need a polishing after the fact, I think. But first you got to get through all of this other crap that's on there. And I think this is really doing the job. I wonder how to do around all this old sticker stuff that was on there. Let's give that a try. Oh, coming right off. Wish I would have learned about this before I polished all that paint on the other side, because this seems to do a lot better job of not taking the paint off but getting the grime off. Alright, let's wash this down and see how it looks. Definitely going to need to take this out and wash it on the next nice day. Get all of the soap and other junk off of it. But it's definitely coming around. Probably need a little bit more polishing down here. But definitely can see where it does work pretty darn well getting that all this off of there. Now, where it happened to? Oh, there's my polishing pad. There's my barkeeper's friend. There's my soaker bottle. And more barkeeper's friend. go, guys. Still needs a little bit more, especially down here on this bottom half. I'm almost thinking maybe I need to put it up on the lift where I can not have to bend over so much. And I can really polish on that. Let's try up high. So if we come up here, what can we do above this line? You guys even seeing what I'm doing anymore? Probably not. Let's move you up. All right. And let's see what you guys are not seeing. We're going to come up over here. And let's try to clean this up. Moisture. Alright. This is actually starting to look pretty darn good. All right. Oh, that looks so much better. Definitely was worth the effort. What do you guys think? Is that truck looking much better now on this side than it used to? Actually has a little bit of a shine to it. Not much. You know, if I'm looking at it here, or you're looking at it in the camera, yeah, you can see some reflection, but it doesn't stand out nearly as much in real life. But that sticker, I mean, look at how much that garbage was around that sticker before, and now it just looks like paint. Definitely need to clean it up a bit more, but it is looking much better than it used to. I think I can handle this. This is going to look nice when I get done. Nice old going to town truck. Alright guys, you've seen the before. What do you think of the after? Does that not look 1,000 times better than it did? Definitely is coming around. Yeah, I wish that it doesn't look like it's the original hood, does it? Or somebody repainted it white for some stupid reason. But, still, the gray is coming back like it should be. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment if you like what I did.
Me and the boys was sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of Bill's mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. Then we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention, I'm sure you know, that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one